3, 2, 1.
How many wickets must fall barring retirement or injury for a cricket team to be all out? The answer is A, 10. How long are microfilaments? The answer is C, 7 nm. Which of these innovation was instituted by Steve Allen on The Tonight Show? The answer is C, he had a scientist as one of his regular visitors. Which dwarf planet is located beyond Neptune in our solar system? The answer is A, Pluto. What is the largest organelle in eukaryotic cells? The answer is C, nucleus. In which odd part of the human body can the Darwin's tubercle be found in some individuals? The answer is C, ear. Which of these describes the property of all matter? The answer is C, all matter is made of atoms. Sugar dissolves in what when they are combined? The answer is B, ocean liquid. What has a heart that never stops beating, but brings hardship and misery to many? The answer is D, economy. Which mountain range is the longest? The answer is B, Himalayas. What vegetable is often long, green, and contains seeds at each end? The answer is C, cucumber. Which word is defined as fish pairings or refuse? The answer is A, gubbins. In what shape is the Japanese cake called teiyaki traditionally made? The answer is B, fish. What type of winds are created when more solar energy strikes the equator than the polar regions? The answer is D, global winds. Which other state was originally a part of Massachusetts? The answer is A, Maine. What is the central theme in Salvador Dali's Persistence of Memory? The answer is A, time and melted watches. What type of cells are multiple small spaces located in the right and left sides of the ethmoid bone? The answer is C, ethmoid air cells. Who played public defender Christine Sullivan on the hit television show Night Court? The answer is D, Markie Post. A student wants to find the most accurate account of a scientific discovery that took place within the past 3 months. In which of these sources should the student look? The answer is D, science journals. Which ocean has the highest number of islands? The answer is B, Indian. Which household item helps dry clothes indoors? The answer is A, dryer. 3 of the listed singers are baritones. Who is the odd one? The answer is A, Roberto Alagna. Which game features the character Master Chief? The answer is A, Halo. What is the branch of economics dealing with the production and distribution of resources? The answer is B, microeconomics. How many states border Ohio? The answer is D, 5. During the early Paleozoic, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere compared to today was? The answer is B, much greater. What was it? The answer is A, Cadabra.com. Which band formed in the UK and is known for Smells Like Teen Spirit? The answer is C, Nirvana. Which animal lays eggs called turtle eggs? The answer is B, turtle. Natural gas is often found along with what other fossil fuels in underground deposits? The answer is B, coal and oil. Which 1983 movie is this audio clip from? The answer is B, Scarface. Muscles are composed mostly of cells called what? The answer is C, muscle fibers. Which of these units of time is the largest? The answer is C, day. What is used to open a jar? The answer is D, jar opener. Which company developed the first computer mouse? The answer is D, Xerox. Which book is set in the world of Quidditch? The answer is C, Harry Potter. What is the title of the national anthem of Canada? The answer is C, O Canada. How many are in a baker's dozen? The answer is C, 13. Which is the most likely way a scientist collects data during an experiment? The answer is C. Observations. What is the final result of the following equation? 3x, 6x, 9x, 0x, 12x, 32x2 equals. The answer is A. 0. Which line presents Steve Allen's date and place of birth? The answer is A. December 26, 1921, New York City. When a liquid is heated, molecules with enough kinetic energy escape the liquid and become what? The answer is D. Vapor. Which theory in psychology describes the tendency to seek consistency between our beliefs, attitudes, and behaviors? The answer is B. Confirmation bias theory. What is the term for an ionic compound that produces positive hydrogen ions when dissolved in water? The answer is A. Acid. This man gave us Tom Thumb and Jumbo the elephant. His last words were, "How were the receipts at Madison Square Garden?" The answer is C. P.T. Barnum. Who was the youngest president in U.S. history? The answer is C. Grover Cleveland. What do you call a person who mends pots, kettles, and pans? The answer is B. Tinker. About how many grams of carbohydrates are in a typical apple? The answer is A. 20. Who developed the circular flow model of economy? The answer is D. Leon Walras. What do octopuses release to blind predators?